Hey everybody, this is a quick tutorial video on how to use the referral system on our website to kind of spread the word with others and also get benefits for yourselves. So, after you tell, your friend, colleague about the system and they go online, the first thing they'll need to do is create an account. There's a separate video on our YouTube channel about how to do that, so we're going to skip that step here. It's pretty straightforward, and they can always find the create account link from that top icon account. I'm already logged in for this tutorial. So after they place an order in their cart, they're just going to click checkout. And these next two steps, you can either skip them by clicking this checkbox to skip the step in the future or go through them. Either one's fine. And then on this last step for checkout, there'll be a promo code control and a referral name control. And that's really the heart of how the referral system works. So you'll need to put in the referral code, promo code, which is referral, and you can click claim afterwards. It's really important to click that claim button, otherwise it's not going to automatically take it unless you click the claim button. And then always enter the name of the person who referred you to Eurofins Genomics. So if we put in John Doe or Donald Duck or whoever you want in there, and if it's a difficult spelling or they have multiple accounts, you might want to put in their email address as well. Just to be clear, that's optional, of course. We can probably find it either way, but it just kind of helps us track down the account. And then all that's left is to click checkout. Now, when you click the referral code, it will add a discount to the order. And once we receive the order, we'll review it and look up your account and add a $30 Evo card to your account. So that's it. If you have any questions, just reach out to our customer support team. Thank you.